working with the front page, this section that we have here. And we're gonna open the style.css. I'm gonna scroll to the bottom and I'm gonna add a front comment. Maybe we're almost done in this. Maybe 100 lines more of CSS, a little more. So for example, you can see that the main difference between this page and the other ones is that the hero is bigger and also doesn't have the negative margin in this section. This doesn't exist into the main page. So we're gonna target that. First, you can see that WordPress, thanks to this function that we added, this body class, is printing some classes that we can use into the home page. You can see that we have home right here, and we have also the default page, another, but this home class is something that we can use to style this section. So first I'm gonna add home, div hero. If you remember, the class that is printing this is called hero. And I'm gonna make this bigger, so I'm gonna hide 650 pixels, something like this, so we can make this bigger. So you can see this is looking more like this design. And we also have this content, this main content. You can see we have a negative margin right here, so we can copy this. We're gonna copy all the selector. Copy. Something like this. This is the media query. And then we have main content, but we're gonna append home at the beginning. Then we have main content. And we're gonna add margin top 0. So we got to remove this margin top. So now you can see we have something like this. This is similar than this. And also we're gonna target these paragraphs. This right here is inside this hero text. So we're gonna add home. Remember that we're using the classes that WordPress generated. Hero text and then paragraph. We're gonna add a line height of 40 pixels and a font size of 80 pixels. So let's save this and reload. Now you can see that we have some space right here. And this is looking better. Maybe this one, we can make this smaller. So we have the 4 lines. So this is going to be the hero text, so we can copy this. But we need to place this inside the media query, so we're gonna add right here. And we're gonna add width of 50%. So save this and reload. And now you can see that we have the 4 lines of text, the same that we have here in the design. And we have the best pizza in town. We have the link. The only difference is and I think that checking the design, the hero is bigger, so I'm gonna make this a little bigger. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, it's looking better. And we're gonna make this a little smaller. But in this case, I'm gonna add this inside another media query. And copy this, maybe 40%. And this is going to be 992. So this is going to apply for the standard version of a laptop, and then this for a tablet. And yeah, I think this is looking great. So there is something that we're missing, and this is the button. So I'm gonna scroll to the top, and I'm looking for button. Here we have primary, and I'm going to add. It was this front page. We set this as secondary. So what secondary? And then that secondary hover. So the secondary color is going to be the orange color. So we can use this the eyedropper, and you can copy this color F19F30. So we can use background color, and then we can use a darker version of this color. So we can click and drag right here, and you can copy this color, for example DAHB20, in case that you don't have Photoshop. So we can use background color again, and again we can copy this transition. So copy this and place right here. So let's reload, and now you can see that we have the more info button working. So this is looking great, and now we're ready to continue working. In the next video we're gonna start working with these or specialties. So let's continue in the next video.